Hey guys, let's go through the 3 stages of teaching an exercise. So stage number 1 is to introduce the movement or name the exercise. So for example, we could use the roll down. Next would be the setup, so how we would be prepping our bodies, standing for the roll down, feet hip width apart, we're standing up straight and tall, letting the shoulders and the head sink heavy before our final step would be the breathing for the exercise. So inhaling before we create the roll down, fill the belly and the lungs with the breath, and on the exhale we would move our bodies down to create the exercise. From there we could do anything from continuing to explain the exercise or having active observations. So if you need to do hands-on corrections or anything extra towards your client, then yeah, that's what we would do.